rebound of the game. Curry, long distance. Bang!
That should have been a foul.
Curry, long distance. That's a three. Steph Curry, his second three-pointer.
Right back to Curry. Finney Smith, the defender. Shooting over Finney Smith for three. He is sensational.
Just 2.5 points per game and shooting 30%.
That offense is going to come from is going to be a difficult task. And then he does that.
If it wasn't a great enough first half already, how about
sure? Now Curry draws Plumlee, lets it fly. Folks, this is just...
Watch for a three here by Curry with the switch. And now Capella, let's see if he tries to eat him up here. He does a three. Good! Right down the hatch.
And you go, oh, I got to do something else that I haven't done before. He makes this.
Stephen Curry with an ode to Oracle from way deep and a 31-point lead.
And into the game plan is to give him those shots. And I like that Doc is calling him back. You're going to have to shoot that shot. We're going to give it to you all series long.
Curry.
That's the thing that I see. Ball's not moving for them.
They've almost degraded into it.
Curry. Repko sets the screen. Curry, long distance, way outside, puts it in. Steph Curry from downtown. Final seconds, they throw it into Lillard.
Denver team, you know, and playoff basketball. Oh my goodness, he's pulled from half court. All right, man.
Possession after possession, it breaks your spirit sometimes. Curry for three. That's good. Steph Curry.
Finally gets something to fall in the third quarter, and then Curry with a deep three. He's feeling it at this point.
Yeah, he was sick.
That's what
Comes Curry. Curry shake and bake, three-pointer. It goes! Curry launches again. And again knocks it down.
Like the defensive game plan, you're switching merits.
it? Here comes Curry. Warriors shooting 60% as a team as Curry hits a ridiculous one. Fifth three of the game for Curry, and he sets the end.
as high as 17.
Curry three.
Oh, man. 1 of 9 on three. And Curry with his 14th rebound. Curry for three. Puts it in. Steph Curry again from downtown. And he's the NBA all-time leader in playoff threes. Paul got the assist on that last one.
Shot the net.
Yes, he does. The Kings as a whole
For the tie.
because that's what happens when
Golden State gets nearly 69 points per game off assist.
Curry with a long three. He's got it.
Wow.
And Durant.
Cody Zeller, fourth pick.
Yeah, and they've come up empty.
Assists, 6 rebounds, pushing the pace. But it's Portland up by 12. Steph Curry. And the foul. Chance for a 4-point play. And Golden State back within 9 and a chance to cut it to 8.
You see the ball movement and man movement.
Shot by Jared Bayless, and you can't mess up this switch.
Curry resets and drills it. It's a 1-point game. Curry pulls up for the three, and of course he makes it. Curry steps back to tie. Oh my goodness, Steph Curry, you are ridiculous.
That's the craziest.
Curry is in kill mode.
Rebounds. Here's Curry.
Off that screen, and
you cannot give him. Well, this may be the best three-point shooting half in NBA history. We're getting close. Curry with a three. Busy week for the Warriors with Phoenix tonight. Curry another three.
Curry into Tucker. Three. No. Rebound Iguodala. Back to Curry. Three. Good. What a shot by Curry.
Curry, an open three. Puts it in.
With Steph Curry, the only shoot on the floor. Curry gets a good look. Nails another three.
Dials his offense around that whole concept, and it really works for them.
How deep?
Puts him into the air ball there. Curry from deep. And Steph points in the last minute.
Go out and put on the pregame show.
Bam.
That's what we like. That's what we like.
But if you speak, I mean, you can speak about the shot that he just hit, but the mentality.
About a minute remaining of the fourth. Looney has come on for Durant. There's Curry for three.
Iguodala picks it up, throws it ahead to Curry. Curry for three. Puts it in.
Early going. They're getting good looks.
Kevon Looney's come on. Curry launches his first three and nails it. Curry with Tucker right with him. Curry launches a three. Puts it in again. Steph Curry from downtown. He's been acquired by the Sixers. And a season high 20 points tonight. Curry for three.
And he's done that. And so, you know, our prayers are just with him, hoping he can get back out as soon as possible.
You can go after that pass. Curry, nonchalant turnaround, knocks it back.
Not much you can do about that, though.
Bench.
The Warriors are 11 of 12 in the quarter, by the way.
Well, all the time in the world, you know he's not going to miss it.
12 of 13. Well, Curry's fouled again. And an opportunity for a four-point play.
I told you he's going to have a big first quarter after last night. Oh, man.
He's got four. Steph pushing. Step back three. Good!
And defending, we all know they're great offensive players, but they're doing the little things. And then you have these bombs.
Larry Nance Jr. now in the middle for the Cavs. Curry from the parking lot.
Curry crossover three-pointer. Bang! About Kemba.
Curry. Wow, wasn't open more than just a fraction of an inch.
Uh-oh.
Feeling it? Yes.
Stretch it a little bit more. Raymond again quickly into the front court. Steph knocks down that triple.
Again, Cousins giving him that shot. Curry, another offensive rebound. Curry for three. Pucks it in. Now from Klay Thompson. Thompson to Curry. Three-pointer. Got it. Curry with his third three-pointer. Mike D'Antoni calls timeout. Million questions. Iguodala says he's one of the smartest young players he's ever seen in his years in the league. Curry for three. 6 3-pointers for Curry. The lead is 14.
And the one, Green will fire it up. And it is saved right to Curry. Curry for three. Fouled and counted.
Oh, my goodness.
Chance at Curry defended by Capella with a three. Good! What a...
McKinney with a stretch, and that
Could have possibly been an offensive foul on Green.
Vasquez has it ripped. Livingston, quick hands. Curry the three. Got it.
the team's shooting better than 50%. Curry got another three.
Curry. Double team. Bang! One in 2016, one in 2017. As Curry nails the three-pointer.
Durant supposed to be hard and trying to guard him down low.
Curry, he'll let it rip from three.
And happy for him. They're going to be really good.
Steph, another three.
This building last time. That's right. To answer, Curry does.
You gotta be 5 seconds. Finds Curry off the screen. Yes. Beautiful.
Curry gets some room and connects.
17, down by 9. Fake 3. Curry. Good. Dazzling move.
Up with the screen, so Curry can't shoot pull-up.
Curry launches again. Back-to-back threes for Curry.
And here comes Steph Curry. Pull-up 3 in transition.
Steph for 3.
Disadvantage there, but he didn't.
Steph, a good look for 3.
So, did Stephen Curry get those threes? Yeah, he did.
Their feet right now. Curry launches a three-pointer, puts it in. Steph Curry from downtown, and the lead is 5 for Golden State.
Jazz have 42 shots tonight. Golden State only has 33 so far.